Hey there, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to turn off page preloading in Google Chrome on your mobile device. This can help save data and enhance your privacy. If you're concerned about unnecessary background loading, this guide is just for you. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now, choose the option labeled Preload Pages. Finally, select No Preloading to completely disable this feature. That's it. Your Chrome browser will no longer load pages in the background. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you manage Chrome settings more effectively. For more simple tech tips like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.